Hello friends, thank you so much for selecting this video. I wish this video should give some value to your life. Many times I have wondered how some people always succeed in their life, what are they doing, what strategy they are following. Finally, I came to know that they have set effective goals in their life and it is the only key for their success. I was working very hard for 10 hours, but in the end, I didn't get the result what I expected. I failed in everything starting from my school days till date in my office. And I sat for a few minutes and I was thinking how to achieve my desire and what are the mistakes I need to correct. And now I am working on those mistakes I have done. So I thought of creating this video. In this video, I am going to tell you 8 mistakes that should be avoided in goal setting and the strategies to set goals. So I request everyone to subscribe, like and share my channel Journey for Happiness. Now let's continue our video. We all know what is goal. It's a desire or the dream everyone wishes to achieve in life. Just take a moment and think when is the last time you achieved a major goal that you're proud of? If it's not within the last few years, then this video can change your life. I have heard from few of my friends that they have few goals in life that they wish to achieve, but I have seen only few of them reaching their goals. Many fail to achieve because of some mistakes. If they have avoided these 8 mistakes, they would have reached their destination. Now let's see what are those 8 mistakes generally we make in goal setting. Mistake number 1, no clear vision. If you don't have the vision about what you want in your life, then you will not have the clear paths to attain your goal. So, vision should be the ultimate goal of your life. So, before setting your goal, you should have clear idea in different areas of your life such as health, career, finance, relationship, spirituality and more. If you look into the area of finance, you need to identify what is your vision first. For example, if one wish to buy a property, then he should have the clear idea that how much money he need to save in a month based on this income. If you do this, he will buy a property in 2 to 5 years. Now let's move to mistake number 2. No emotional connection. You should connect your goal to emotions and feelings. You should imagine how you feel after achieving your goal. This emotional aspect of goal will drive you to do something instead of sitting idle at home. Let's take the weight loss example here. You wish to reduce 50 pounds in a year. You need to think why you want to reduce weight. There may be various reasons that makes you happy if you lost 50 pounds. Maybe you want to be healthier or to live a long life or to take care of your family or business. Or you may wish to change your current appearance of your body. In this case, you have to connect this goal with a feeling happiness and it will motivate you to do your action consistently. Here I chose the weight loss example because it is relevant and something almost everyone has struggled at one point. So, goals should be connected with feelings and emotions. Now, let's move to mistake number 3, setting too many goals. Setting too many goals is like having too much food on your plate. You will not be able to eat all. Similarly, you cannot set 10 goals and chase them all at the same time. So, prioritize your goal from 1 to 3 and focus on each year. If you make massive progress towards a goal and if you are confident that you will achieve it, then you can add a new goal to your plate. Let us take my example here. I tried for years to do business and to write a book along with many other random goals. Despite my efforts with these two, they got jumbled with other distractions and I was not able to achieve my goals. In short, prioritize your goals and keep it minimal to maximize your success. Now let's move to mistake number 4, not setting balanced goal. Your work life balance is an important part of achieving your goals. If you are not reaching your goal, it may lead you to negative emotions like disappointment, frustration, and feeling like a failure. If you continuously work for 10 to 14 hours daily, you will not find time to take care of your health and family. So, plan in such a way that you balance everything. You can schedule your daily activities related to business, career, relationship, family, health, financial, mental, spiritual, and lifestyle to have a balanced life. Now, let us move to mistake number 5, not writing goals. Those who wrote their goals in a journal or a diary have achieved more than those who did not write their goals. When you write, you will have a clear idea of what actions to be taken. So, write the goal that is doable without fear, and when you write it, it be stored in your subconscious mind and you attract whatever you write. You can use journals, planner, or DIY planner spreadsheets to track all your goals. All your action plans should be tracked and reviewed every day. If you do that, you will not jump from one idea to another. Also, you will be focused in your work and will not waste your time. For this, you can download apps to track all your habits and you can evaluate yourself whether you are traveling in right path. Now let's move to mistake number 6. Not breaking down the goal. If you want to succeed, you must know how to break down complex goals into actionable steps. Suppose if your goal is to create YouTube channel, first decide a deadline when you are going to start your channel. Suppose if you have decided to start this month, you need to write the action plan to achieve them. Do enough research, go online, read a book related to YouTube or talk to someone who have YouTube channel. After achieving certain knowledge, you can start your actions like creating email ID, selecting the name and theme of your channel, selecting the software for editing and video creation, knowing the strategy how to increase your subscribers, planning how many videos to be posted in a month, creating a content and start posting as your plan. So, if you break down your big goal into small action plan, you will be able to complete your goal in specified time and date. Now let's move to mistake number 7. Not taking action plan. For all your goals, if you are not taking action, you will not reach your destination. For example, if you want to increase your Instagram followers from 10 to 1000, posting one photo per year is not sufficient. You need to post 1 to 2 posts every day in a specific time, tell stories and inspire them visually. Use Instagram traffic, provide clickable link in bio, use right hashtag, host Instagram contest. If you do this regularly, you can increase your followers to 1000. And finally, let us move to our mistake number 8. Not taking support from others. Taking support from family and friends will help you to achieve your goal. Identify the people with same goal as yours and work with them to continue your goal without leaving. There are a lot of groups in WhatsApp, Telegram and Facebook. You can join with them and get motivated to do your daily actions. So take support from family and friends. Finally, goal without plan is just a wish. So I request you to follow these techniques and be productive and achieve your goal. Be safe and enjoy your life. Thank you for your time. We'll see you in next video. Bye.